So we are now going to Ikea to buy some goodies for my new damn, what's it called? Okay, forget that. So it's for my new little filming section area kind of thing. So excuse me. But yeah, so we will go and get some goodies now, and you're gonna have a fun vlog watching this. Take some people out here. Bobby.
I know it.
You're a mess.
This is not.
Nasty.
Listen to that.
Welcome to my crib. Leah news. Oh hi.
Oh hi there.
My gaff. Your gaff.
It's nice, huh?
Oh.
I always do that.
Just check
my new curtains.
New curtains. Ooh, fancy.
They are the nice fabric that you can't iron. You just sit on chairs and you get comfortable, really. Then obviously you come in and basically what you do is you take a seat, put your feet up,
Get coached.
you put one TV on.
Put your senders on.
Personally, not my internet. My
I'm not gonna lie, how you see these senders from that angle?
Like this.
Through the plant.
So that. Not have a black and red living room. Although my bag is black and red.
No tea, no shade. Everyone, you just refer back to EastEnders.
Oh, by the way, I've missed tonight's. This is not.
Leah's always got a rotten view from the TV. Right?
Yes. I got the best view.
Yes. Love.
This is not my scene.
No.
And the reason it's not my scene is because it looks like the kids have been in there.
It's kids' room, innit?
Sorry, why are you in my hands? Where?
There.
Mum.
Mum and Dad.
That is for when you're reading. In a group. In a group.
Oh.
There's 10 kind of bed in it.
Is it actually a bed?
I'm just
Oh.
just testing out mattress.
Why do you look dead?
I thought it was like, because we realised that you may not get under the wheel.
I want to do hide and seek in Ikea. Should we do that?
Get it pretty smooth.
Time to leave, guys. Time to leave.
Press what? It opens it now. June! Hello! What would you be? I'll do that every 2 minutes. Oh! Strenuous.
Domsey would be mad.
We went. Whoa! Gatto.
Oh.
Gatto. Gatto. Is that what it says? Pancake gatto. Sweet pancake.
You really have moved in here, haven't you?
I feel like a bit of a
Bit of me. Oh, that's making me want Casper's.
No, can't afford that.
What a budget. £1 Ikea hot dog. That is your.
Ew!
Prawns on a pancake. Is that prawns?
on a pancake.
That is wrong.
Right, get out the ingredients. Wow, okay. So, that's not.
Shall
we have a glass of champagne? Champagne.
Sure, no.
Or. Why am I at? Sorry about that. No, there ain't nothing. Oh, you got the extractor. I got the big guns.
I don't know what that is.
That's nice. You got the extractor. Oh, no, look at that. That's lovely. That is. Look at that. Oh, yeah, brilliant.
Self-glazing. How do you feel about that?
I love that, because when you come in on a night out, you're not going to wake people up.
Yeah, true that.
Ladder. Oh, what? That is elderflower, by the way. Flag. In Sweden. in Sweden. You know, like, I feel like I'm ready to have a shower. Why is there mistletoe by the shower?
That ain't mistletoe.
What is it then?
Leaves. Just bit of foliage.
Oh. Shower. I was going to say, it's quite inappropriate for me to die in the shower.
I just want to film someone.
Oh, we've even got a room.
Oh, put it on.
Alright. I'll be watching EastEnders.
Again.
That EastEnders? Wow. Oh, he's a bit
Lovely.
bigger.
You look like your first day at Harry Potter or something.
I was just about to say Hogwarts.
Yeah, that's it, Hogwarts.
Alright, come. That looks cool.
That's like your first day at Harry Potter. Wow. That's a vibe. Candid. Sporty spice. I don't know what spice you are. Oh wow.
Wow, I've been laughing.
I nearly missed the bed. Bobby,
Come on.
Oh wow, we're actually.
it's just a vid. Oh, full pick move. Like plantation growing. Bit sage. Basil.
Bit of basil.
Cooking with Leanne.
Guys, we can't go around this side. We got a
Track.
We went off track.
Follow the lines.
I'm not even joking now. If I get a man, we get a house, and he says we're going to Ikea, I'll say, no, we're not.
Why?
We're going to Versace.
Versace.
Yeah.
Versace.
Versace.
No, yeah, but jokes.
No, but yeah.
Get in your room.
No, but yeah. That's a single bed. I'm not single. We won't
Think
we
you
won't
are.
speak about that. We won't speak about that.
Moving on, moving swiftly on.
Hashtag single life ever.
Jackpot. Is this what you want? Have you left your piece of paper?
I believe I did, but I believe there's actually one here waiting for me.
Oh, ample. Brilliant job.
Don't actually know where the pencil's gone. Mow. Ignore my nails because I haven't done them.
It's alright.
It's not right. Article number. Article number.
I mean, they're on. They're just ain't painted, are they?
No. No.
Article number
Find
Malm.
Where is it? I'll read. Article number Malm.
Oh, that's
How cute is that?
cute.
Can you, oh, really? Amazing. Get me one.
How much is it?
It's £3. You're getting me that? What do you mean? Oh, look! I'll call it Johnson.
Johnson.
Yeah, you've taken it too far.
Yeah. Too far, Bob. Too far.
There is too many of these out on the streets.
You don't need to buy them.
No. Okay.
I'm not buying that.
Yes, you are.
No, please. Thank you. It matches my decor in my room.
We'll get your mum one of these. For Donzi.
She's a rat. Please, get a bed.
If you continue.
Oh, yeah, roll around on that.
I tried to get in there when I got stuck.
Bob, I
That's
dare
really
you to
upsetting.
do a roly-poly. On that little mat.
My feet went.
Shut up.
She's doing it. Truth it.
It's all safe.
You've got padding.
Go, Bob.
Cry my eyes out. How'd you do a roly-poly?
Just go on your head and flip.
Gosh, I must drop Johnson.
Elf. Runway. Runway.
Oh, well, no, we're not playing this game.
Because probably would fall over.
I'm a skater girl.
I'll make it fit in my room. But
She's really checking out this cactus. Wait, is it a cactus?
yeah.
How much is it?
I don't know.
Decorate your home with this plant by combining with a pot to suit your style. £10 for a plant. I thought it said free plant. What is it? Plant version of the ring light.
Don't know if it would help.
She's still got the teddy in her hand. Oh, now we're on to rugs. Rugs are us. Rugs are us. But guys, floor is lava.
Well, I died 2 times over.
Where's Macy?
I want a pink rug, but today, guys, Don't sit there casual now after I've just said that.
Probably the size that would fit in my room.
I had a really big one of those.
My nan got one. It's really cute.
They don't last very long.
I got 30. Oh my god. And my nap. Struggling out there.
Oh my god, Leah, you're gonna still. Skirt your feet.
I'm gonna go
Where?
right here.
Right here is the activity area.
Where are you seeing that?
Look at the top of my head.
Sorry, beg your pardon, that is it there?
Yes, lads.
Angle.
Found
Here's mom. Oh, that is a 4. That is a 4. We don't want a 4.
Is that what you want?
We want a tree. We want a tree. That's a 2. We want a tree.
Tree.
Excuse me.
Excuse me.
Excuse me. Is this a tree? This is a tour.
Hold on, there's a mound.
How do you know? Because it says that.
Wait.
You've got 4 doors, Maze. Oh, please tell me they have got a 4.
This is Mickey, so.
3 or no?
Mickey.
Oh, we're doing U-turns.
3-point turn.
Whoa, that was a 1-point turn all the way around.
Jeez.
Right, I feel like they haven't got.
We
a
need
free
that, so I think we should just take
Wait,
it.
is this it? It's here.
Mound.
There he is, lads.
We've reached the destination.
We've reached.
Is it heavy?
Go on, Zap.
Go on, Dad.
Oh, I lost my phone.
Whoa, Maisie, careful, 'cause you'll get arthritis.
Maisie, I'm on it.
We are. Oh, plants.
That looks like a bum.
Maze, there is your cactus.
£49. It'll die in a day.
Oh, that. Oh, my nose highlight looks good. Now it doesn't.
We're going into the mound thing again.
Oh, wow.
Are you done, Bob?
No. We're spinning. We're doing the U-point turn. Him, Leah. Put him back.
I want it.
Mom.
Oh, see what?
Stupid little piglet thing. He's watching this.
Making me buy that stupid teddy.
I want it.
Finish him.
I'm about to pay £3 for that.
So I am. Happy about your purchase?
I am really happy.
Thanks, let me just go for that £1.
You're not welcome.
Swing around.
Really?
But it's
that?
heavy, you know.
Yeah, I know.
Yes.
Ikea hot dog round 2. If you know, you know. Round 2.
This
True say.
is the room of death. We have. Okay, my room doesn't usually look like this, by the way. Just to point that out. Whoa. We are actually building what we got from Ikea.
It's freezing.
Yeah. Wow. We actually thought we actually accomplished it, and all we had to do was the drawers. Turns out that this is meant to be the back bit, and this bit here is meant to be the front. This is meant to be the front, and we've got the back bit on the front. Wondered why the instructions actually said that these have to be in the middle, but we've put them on the end because we was like, oh wait, why are they not wedging in properly? Wow. Always follow the instructions. Ikea. Mom. It's definitely a no from me. Hey guys, what is that line going through me? Forgot to... Let's restart that again. So I forgot to finish the vlog earlier, and it is now like 2 o'clock in the morning. Me and Leah decided we would try and put the chest of drawers up, and that did not happen. So yeah, eventful day. Now I am going to give her a nice facial, even though I deserve for myself. And we got some snacks, and we're gonna catch up on EastEnders. So for now, lights out, time's out. EastEnders catch up time, and I'm gonna see you all next week.